Well, welcome to Lamae Station, Chumphon Province, Thailand. Tuesday, 27th of June, 2023. Just happened to be here. It's 9:35 in the morning, and it looks like there's a through train coming through. They put a ring out going northbound, and I'm standing on the platform here on this side. Can't zoom anymore, so this is what we got. Work train. Very exciting. Short and sweet, that's all she wrote. Bye bye. Let's see here, what do we got here? Very quiet in town today. Ticker's done his duty. Nothing in the market. And that's all she wrote. Bye bye.